Hello everyone again. This is Lorraine from Greenhouse Trials and Tribulations. I just want to show you the work I did cutting back the hibiscus and the butterflybush. So you'll notice that the stalks, okay, they're very thick. This was put in, I don't know, maybe 5-6 years ago, and so it expands each year. They get very tall, I would say almost 10 feet, if not taller. And so I leave leaves around the base. Remember, the leaves decompose and provide nitrogen. Same thing with composting. Here we have the butterfly bush that I cut back. They're, for some reason it keeps leaning. I got to see if I could train it. We get butterflies during the entire season. And as I keep saying and emphasizing, it's nice to have shrubs and perennials that give you constant color. Right over here, which is really odd, it is the 5th of December, and this forsythia is actually in bloom. So I don't know what caused that. We did have occasionally warm weather, but this is the first time in my 29 years living here that that has occurred. So as I said before, cut back, if you can, your hibiscus. And as I said before, it's not just that it has to be in a pot and brought inside. It can give you constant color. Next spring, I'm going to introduce a red hibiscus because I think it's important to expand the amount of color in the yard. Also, I have been putting bulbs very slowly in the ground. Something I want to emphasize is if you are planting irises, don't bury them, please, because they're not going to thrive. The part of the tuber likes to be above the ground so that it gets soil, it gets light, and it's very important that when you plant it, you don't put a whole bunch of dirt on it. I will show you what I put in yesterday. They're called Germanica. They are German bulbs that I've been waiting to plant. Right over here, you will notice here, these are them. They are reblooming. This is my bed for irises, and what I do is I always put a few leaves. I did have phlox that made its way into the iris bed, but I've been getting irises here for over 20 years. They expand, and what I do is I transplant them, I divide them. Be very careful when you put irises in. They can give you Van Gogh-like colors. You just have to treat them well. To all a great day.